A very warm welcome to the channel. If today is the first time here, my name is Yummy Cash, and to my returning subscribers, a very warm, cozy welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to be making a very delicious goat's meat pepper soup with special ingredients. Okay, so with me here I have my washed goat meat and I'm adding in some chopped onions. Now I'll come in with 1 tablespoon of my spice mix. Then add in half stock cube. When it comes to the spice mix, you can use any spices of your choice. But if you want to know how I made it, please I'll leave a link down in the description. You can check it out. I'm adding in some salt and then go ahead and give the meat a very good mix. Now when I'm done with this, I'm going to cover it and leave it on fire to start cooking for about 15 minutes on a medium heat. The goat's meat is on fire cooking, so in this bowl I will add 1 whole tomato that I've cut into 4 pieces. Then I add in some cloves of garlic, gingers, and then I will come in with some cut carrots. I will now add in some onions, followed by 1 and I will say a 1/4 tablespoon of the pepper soup spice mix. Now in this blender, I will put all the vegetables in. To help with the blending process, I'm going to add some amounts of water to it and start blending it. I nearly forgot to add pepper to it. I added to it and continue blending. Also, I changed the bowl that I was blending in into a larger bowl. That is one advantage of this lazy blender. That's the hand mixer. Whoever invented it, may the Almighty God bless that person. The goat meat have been cooking for 15 good minutes and look at that. The smell, oh my goodness. If you have not yet watched the spice mix recipe, please watch it because the spice mix is doing wonders in my kitchen. Now I will start straining in the blended ingredients. I know if you're a Ghanaian watching this video, you'll be like, the meat did not steam well, the meat did not cook well. Do not worry, we are making Nigerian soup. And the way Nigerians cook their food, trust me, after you're done with everything, the meat tastes absolutely good. And one thing I love about Nigerian recipes is it doesn't take long to cook. Within few minutes, you are done cooking it, and the outcome of it is just so good. After straining it, the ingredients did not blend to my liking. So I'll put the chaff back into the blender, add a little bit of water to it, and blend it for the second time. And one disadvantage of using this hand blender is this. It doesn't blend very well. Now I'm done with the second blending. I strain it into the soup and oh my goodness, I just can't wait. So whilst we are straining it, let us take this opportunity to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And also like this video if you find it helpful. And the most important of all is to share it out. Now I'm done with the straining, and for some raw veggies, I add a little bit of the chaff into the soup. Give it a very good mix. And at this point, if you're making yours, you would want to taste for the salt, seasoning, and everything and add it to it. I just added in some fresh chopped peppers for that extra hotness. And at this point, I'm going to cover it and leave it to boil till it is well cooked. So yummy, it has been 25 minutes of cooking or boiling the soup. I add in some chopped celery leaves and Leave it to boil for additional 2 minutes. So after the 2 minutes, your goat meat pepper soup is ready to be consumed with some rice. As always, thank you so very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you around next time for another great recipe. Until then, always remember to do everything in love, and whenever you think food, do not forget to think yummy cash. Choose.